Hi guys, in this video I'll be unboxing a brand new set of computer monitor speakers. So let's get started. I purchased these Bose Companion 2 Series 3 computer speakers for just under £90. I will include a link in the description. In the box there is a powered speaker, accessory speaker, audio input cable with mini plug, speaker cable and an AC power pack. Now the reason why I've decided to purchase these as opposed to using my HomePods is down to reliability. My HomePods have the best sound quality, but because they are connected via Bluetooth, there are some issues, such as lagging when playing music or watching videos on YouTube. These Bose speakers are connected via auxiliary and therefore there is no lagging. Unlike my HomePods, there is no high fidelity sound. However, using some Mac software, Boom 2, I am able to change that, allowing room filling sound. If you have enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.